Okay, class. So now I am sharing the test with you all, and you have to copy down in your fair notebooks. And some time I will give you. After that, you will give one by one the correct answers. These two topics were completed yesterday. Now, this is your third revision test. 10 sentences are here. You have to fill with relative pronouns. Okay? Look at the sentences below and complete by choosing the relative pronouns. Brackets are also there. You have to note down this test in your copy. 10 minutes are being provided to you with answers also. After 10 minutes, I will ask the correct answers and I will also see your copy on the screen whether you have written the test or not. So start writing the sentences and the heading also. I am dictating you the questions also. If there is any problem to understand the spelling. First one is the house dash Jack built is large. And second, I saw a man I thought was Ben's father. Third sentence, Sam told me films would be good to see. Fourth, can you remember dash dad parked the car? Fifth, the driver told us dash train to catch. Sixth, I hear dash William eats squid. Seventh, he is not the kind person dash laughs at others. Eighth, have you told everyone dash the party will be? Ninth, this is the house dash grandma used to live. 10th, could you tell me dash way we should go? So time is given to you. You can copy down. After few minutes, I will ask the answers. Please note down in your fair copies. Revision test 3. Okay, class. I think you people have written. Those who have completed in the notebooks can raise their hands. Students, those who have completed the test, written test, may raise their hands. Okay. 3 students are there only. Okay, class. Ayushi, reply me first. Answer Ayushi Garg. Yes, Ayushi. You are not audible. Ayush Bagel.
मैम
Yes, Ayush.
मैम मेरा हुआ नहीं है.
So you can tell first answer. I think you have noted down the first 2-3 sentences.
यस मैम.
हाँ तो first one you just tell me. The
मैम
house
डैड.
that.
मैम
Yes,
डैड.
that. Okay, that is the correct answer. Vaibhav Arora. Yes, Vaibhav.
मैम कौन से वाले का?
Speak in English. The second sentence.
मैम which?
Second one, I saw a man.
मैम आंसर इज which?
Which? I saw a man which I thought. No. It will be who I thought was Ben's father, which is generally used with the things. Okay, not the persons. Okay, Shreya Chaudhary.
Yes मैम.
Fourth sentence. Sorry, third one.
मैम which?
Yeah. Third sentence, third.
मैम डैड.
Sam told me that films would be good to see. No, which will be there? Which films will be good to see?
ओके मैम.
Okay, in third sentence, you have to write which. First one, that. Second, who. And third one, which. Fourth sentence, Khushi Chauhan.
मैम फोर्थ वाला हमको बताना है ना?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Can you remember where dad parked the car? Because there is question mark. Where is the answer?
Very good. Where is the correct answer? Next one, Dipansh Sharma.
लगता है तूने कुछ अड़बड़ गड़बड़ कर दी है घर के पीछे।
Fifth one,
तभी तो तेरे को सब ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे।
Ashvi Mehta. Tanya Singh.
मैम मैम which one?
Fifth sentence,
Fifth, the driver told us dash train to catch. Ma'am, which?
which train to catch? Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Next one, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one,
Ma'am, that.
correct. I hear that William eats squid.
Okay, ma'am.
Danish Verma. Danish. Ishan Agrawal.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh sentence,
Ma'am, who?
yes. He is not the kind of person who laughs at others. Correct answer. Shubhi Mishra. Anant Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Eighth one,
Ma'am.
eighth sentence.
Ma'am, where?
मैं कह रहा हूँ एक बात कह रहा हूँ हमारी
Is where? Okay. Yes. Have you told everyone where the party will be? That's right. Now, ninth sentence. Ayushman Goyal. Reply the answer. Ninth sentence.
Ma'am, that.
Grandma used to live. That or where? Where is the appropriate answer? Okay. Where is the
Okay,
correct
ma'am.
answer?
Okay.
Last one. Yash Bansal. 10th sentence.
Ma'am,
Yes.
could you tell me dash where we should go? Ma'am, where?
Yes, where is the correct answer? Could you tell me where,
Ma'am,
which,
ma'am,
which?
ma'am.
Yes. Students, please note, in the 10th sentence, could you tell me which way we should go? Okay. So your revision test 3 has been completed. 10 sentences were there of relative pronouns. Now I am sharing another test paper as per the topic of the chapter. Interrogative pronouns. Here are also 10 sentences. I am speaking to make you clear the sentences. For this also you will get the time to note down. First one is, dash did you do yesterday afternoon? Second one, were you talking at the pub last Friday evening? Were you talking to at the pub last Friday evening? Third one, are you? Third one, are you? So you can write tired. Are you so tired today? Fourth one, does he usually go to work? Fourth sentence, does he usually go to work? Fifth one, was your favorite toy when you were a child? Was your favorite toy when you were a child? Fifth one. Sixth sentence, dash, don't you let me go in. Don't you let me go in. Seventh, have you learned to drive a car? Have you learned to drive a car? Eighth, have you been all this day? Have you been all this day? Question marks are also there. Ninth, film does dash film does she have watching? Ninth one, dash film does she loves watching? Is given loves watching. Tenth, dash did you dance with at the birthday party? Dash did you dance with at the birthday party? Please note down. If you are not understanding any word, I will tell you when I will ask the answers. Other than you can write. Students, in third sentence, you can do a change. Dash, are you so busy? After so you write busy, busy, busy today. Okay. Third sentence. Dash, are you busy today? Okay, children, now I am asking one by one. Ayush Bagel.
Yes, ma'am.
Reply fast. Shreya Chaudhary.
मैम मैम आप बोल दो, मुझे कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है, मैं लिख ही नहीं पाई.
I dictated the sentences. First one is clear. Dash did you do yesterday afternoon?
मैम
Okay, students, once again I am dictating. I am repeating the lines. Please note down. First sentence. Dash did you do yesterday afternoon? And put the question mark. Okay. Dash did you do yesterday afternoon? Second sentence. Dash were you talking to at the pub, pub pub, at the pub last Friday evening? Second, were you talking to at the pub, pub last Friday evening? Students, one more interrogative pronoun you have to add. Here it is missing. You can write WHOM, whom. Okay. The headings are there. Where, which, when, who, what, how and whose. Add on whom also. WHOM, whom. Third sentence. Dash are you so busy today? Third sentence. Dash are you busy today? Fourth sentence. Dash does he usually, USUALLY, does he usually go to work? Dash does he usually go to work? Fifth sentence. Dash was, WAS was your favorite toy, favorite, FAVOURITE, favorite. Favorite toy when you were a child? When you were a child. Sixth sentence. Dash don't you let me get in, get in. Dash don't you let me get in. Seventh. Dash have you learnt learnt to drive a car? I think students you can note down because time is likely to be over, because I am dictating and we will sort out the this test by tomorrow. Okay. Eighth sentence. Dash have you. Eighth dash have you been, BEEN, been all this day? Dash have you been all this day? Ninth. Dash film does she love watching? Dash film does she love watching? And 10th. Dash did you dance did you dance with at the birthday party? Did you dance with at the birthday party? We will sort out, okay, students, by tomorrow.